Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to One Cat Rocky. Today we're doing another reaction video, and today we'll be reacting to a stuffed dog gets sent to space by something. So let's watch. Wow. What is that being recorded from? This is making me get motion sickness. Holy crap. Poor dog. Imagine if that dog was actually real. Like alive. Why does it just keep on... I'm really confused. Why does it just keep on moving around in circles like that? Wow. It's pretty high up. You creep. Huh. Oh, wow. Oh, I've been recording this for the exact same amount of time that this video has been going. Whoa, it's like he's like in space. Like, if you're in a plane this high, you'd have to be putting on an oxygen mask if it was that dark. I know that for a fact. Must be going pretty fast. Not really, but I think he's just going high or something. That doesn't look spacey. The sun looks way bigger, but brighter. Yeah, the Earth is quite round there. Earth is flat. Wow. Oh, never mind. Well, I guess that was the whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and more. Bye-bye.